Prosecutors are expected to call a medical examiner this morning to comb through some of the details of the autopsy report. Today's witnesses come after more evidence was presented inside the courtroom Monday. Arbery's mother and the jury got a look at the shotgun that was used in the killing for the very first time yesterday. Some cell phone video of the incident was also shown inside the courtroom. Now, defense attorneys continued their push for a mistrial, objecting to Reverend Jesse Jackson being in the courtroom next to the family. However, Judge Timothy Walmsley continued to reject that motion, called comments objecting to black pastors in the courtroom, quote, reprehensible.